Hello, Transurfer, and thank you for tuning in to this Transurfing TV production. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and please like this video and comment in the comment section below, I love Reality Transurfing, to enter my giveaway for my awesome reprogramming stickers. I am pulling winners every week. So, choosing the goal frame. I love this one. And this illustration is awesome. And this is very representative of what I personally do to achieve that end goal, that intention, in a very short amount of time. So what I like to personally do is each morning I activate my plate and I recall what that future frame is, what my intention is. And I say a little prayer or a little mantra or a soundbite slide to myself, which is, world, help me to see my way to my end goal, and please provide me with what I need to see that end goal come into frame via outer intention. So this really helps me because anytime I see something that is in line with that future frame, I can do exactly what Eum is presenting here. I can take little bits of different scripts and move myself along rather quickly to that end frame. It works very, very simplistically once you figure out how to do it. But a few things that I should speak of briefly. This would be you managing your pendulums, right? This would be you not getting lost in your inner or outer screens. This is you staying dialed in to what your intention ultimately is and looking at your reality for ways to hop on to different scripts, allowing you to get to that end frame more quickly. So what Eum says here, external intentions find a way to achieve that goal. This is so true. And frames of different films are selected to suit your goal. This is really, really powerful stuff because you can choose what your action will be in your present moment that will help you ultimately stay in line with that end frame. This is the use of thought markers. This is you checking in multiple times a day and saying, are my thoughts and my actions in line with that future frame? And again, outer intention, show me the way. So outer intention will show you the way if you're aware, if you're in your center screen. And this is really you achieving something in a shorter amount of time, not being distracted, not getting pulled onto other scripts or scripts that ultimately do not suit you or your intentions. So next, 16, advantage. This is a big one. Stay tuned, everyone.